Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup Salesforce activity history from Gmail integration, detailed guide step by step clearly. To backup Salesforce activity history from your Gmail integration, start by logging into your Salesforce account. Navigate to the app launcher in the top left corner of the Salesforce interface. Search for and select reports from the drop-down menu. Once in the reports module, click on the new report button. In the report type selection window, choose activities or activity history. Click continue to create a new report based on activity records. In the report builder, you will see various fields available for selection. Drag and drop relevant fields such as subject, date, and who into the report's preview area. Adjust the filters to limit the report to the desired date range or specific records. To ensure you capture all relevant activities, include a filter for opened email or sent email as necessary. Preview the report to confirm it contains all the needed information. Once satisfied, click the Save and Run button in the top right corner. Assign a name to your report and choose a folder for storage. After saving, click Run to generate the report with your selected criteria. Once the report is displayed, look for the Export button in the top right corner. Choose the format you prefer, such as Excel or CSV, for the export. Click on Export to download the file to your computer. Open the exported file to ensure all data is correctly backed up. Store the backup file securely in your records for future reference. Repeat this process periodically to maintain an up-to-date backup of your Salesforce activity history linked to your Gmail integration. Now you have the complete steps to back up your Salesforce activity history effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.